what is up guys? My name is Ali. Today I'm back with another video. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this nice, fast paper airplane. And it's actually quite fast. I'll show you guys right now. Pretty fast. So now let's start showing you how to make this airplane. Now, let's begin this. So first off, we need to put this little paper like this. We have to bend it like right here. You have to line it up exact. You have to make sure that it's exactly lined up, straight and good. Okay. Then you're just gonna do this. You can use your little fingernail, take it, and then put your little your nail across it to make it exact flat. Then you're gonna take this end right here. Let me show you guys. Then bend it exactly like this. It has to be exact. So make sure, because this one point for this is the sorry guys, the what is it called? I'm searching for the word. Wait, I should bend this like this. No? This. It's like, you have to be exact. That's, I don't know the word there, but it has to be like exact. I just forgot the word. Now, once you did this, you're gonna open it once again, like this, and take this end right here, take this corner, line it up exactly in the middle line. On the other side too. So make sure it's flat. You can use your fingernail again. I'm just gonna use it. Okay, now. Then you're gonna close it in. It's starting to look like a plane now. You close it in, you're gonna bend it. You can use your fingernail once again. There we go. Now, all you have to do for this is take this. This is a little tricky. Take this right here and bend it like this. So right here. That. Do not use your fingernail for this because you don't want it fully bent. You just want like halfway, so like this. Then you're just gonna take the other end and do the same thing. So like this. Then just put it on a stool or table or anything on the ground. Line it up exact. So, oops, whoa, it fell. So, voila. So once you're done this plane, you can move this aside and have some fun. So let's have some fun with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys make this paper airplane that I did. And before I actually end this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick shout out to somebody. Let's go. Speak into this box. Let's not look here. Okay. Right here. Now, let's see who's the lucky winner. Mubashar. So, shout out to you, man. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's actually pretty much it. It's been your boy AY, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!